Hi, I'm Cathy Thomas. His ceviche makes my palate sing. I'm with David Yamaguchi, executive chef at OC Restaurant in Old Town Orange. Chef's going to share the secrets of his irresistible ceviche. Chef, you use incredible salmon in this dish. Tell me about it.
Our salmon is actually from Norway. It's a farm salmon from a company called Quare.
Ah, well, it's delicious. Show me how it's done.
So first, coconut milk, which is a little different. Garlic and ginger, some fish sauce. Typical leche de tigre is gonna have some actual fish blended into it, but I like the little fermentation from a fish sauce. This is a mushroom dashi, lime juice, and a little salt.
And tell me again what this is called.
Leche de tigre.
There you go.
Very, very popular in Peru.
And does that mean milk of the tiger?
It does.
Nice.
But once you blend it, it's gonna have a little bit of foam, and so it's nice to let it settle for a little bit.
Could I make this a day in advance?
You can, and it actually lends itself really, really well because it's kind of similar to like a soup. The flavors will melt together a little bit better.
What's next?
Next, we're just gonna assemble a ceviche. Very, very simple.
How have you prepped the salmon?
So this is actually just small little cubes. You want good bite-sized pieces, and we use a lot of the belly, which is really, really nice.
Some red onion?
Some shaved red onion. These are ninja radishes.
And they're beautiful. And what could I use if I don't have ninja radishes?
Any regular radish, like a red radish. If you find some watermelon radish, it lends itself to like a nice like color contrast.
Some fresh lime juice?
Yes, because that'll start to cure for a bit. Fresno chilies. Not as spicy as a jalapeno.
Seeds out, long strips. They have a nice flavor and they're so darn pretty.
Yes.
All right, good toss.
That way, the lime juice starts to cure the salmon.
And how long do you have to let that sit?
This is actually just a quick cure, so it's only just a couple minutes. I'm actually just gonna tear this one, yeah. Because then it doesn't bruise or anything. And I love mint in savory dishes. So it's mint and cilantro in this dish. I love an avocado. So this one we're actually gonna do just a little bit of avocado in here.
Beautiful.
This is the leche de tigre that's sat for a bit. So for this, I like to plate it in this nice little bowl.
It's a beautiful bowl. And the colors of the ingredients are so pretty.
Yeah, a lot of contrast, it's nice.
I have to tell you, just looking at it makes me hungry.
So this is a habanero oil we make. You can buy a chili oil in the store, make life a lot easier. But this has got some habanero, lemongrass, ginger, some like Southeast Asian flavors.
And some taro chips?
Yes, so these are taro chips. Taro's, it's very, very similar to potato. Grows in Southeast Asia. At OC, we just wanted to do things a little bit different and give people some nice, interesting flavors. And the sweetness from this kind of mellows out the habanero.
That's beautiful, Chef. Thank you so much.
Of course, thank you.
You've been very generous to share this with us.
Of course.
Here's a quick tip from Melissa's. Fresh hatch chilies are available a few short weeks each year in August and September. These delicious chilies are from the Mesilla Valley in New Mexico. They have thick walls with flavorful flesh. Use them fresh or roasted, then peeled seeded, and if you like, frozen. One of my favorite ways to use them is to spike a white chili with hatch personality. I like to use a combination of mild and hot, and then adjust them to suit my desired heat level. I taste a little piece to check out the hot chili. If the hatch chili labeled hot is crazy hot, I cut the amount in half and add more mild beauties. The chilies are sautéed along with other veggies and ground turkey. Broth, cannellini beans, and hominy are added for this easy one-pot meal. Garnish with a good dollop of Greek yogurt and cilantro. Yamola! Get the recipe at cathythomascooks.com.